Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin here with another video for you right here. And I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars on this one site to read out loud. So the question is this, and this will make a decision if you need to stay here and watch this video to the very end. Question, do you like to read? But if I was to pay you $1,000 to read something, will you do it? This site here pays you $1,000 to read out loud. That's why I'm talking so loud, because I want to get paid $1,000, okay? Let me show you. Bring out your sheet of paper and your pencil. Here it is. Boom. Let's get to it. ACX.com. Hold on. ACX.com. ACX.com is a website that you can read other people's ebooks and they will pay you to read. Can I say that again? Now, how many of you right now, you might say, okay, Wesley, I think I like reading now. Listen, if you truly want to be successful, readers are leaders, and all successful people such as Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and Wesley Virgin, we all read obsessively. But what I want to show you how to get paid in the process here, okay? Readers are leaders. If you have knowledge, then you become this exceptional person, because most people don't read anything, okay? So remember, the person with the most knowledge always dominates the conversation, and the person with the most knowledge always get paid the most. And the best example is, before I jump into the site here, is think about a doctor and a surgeon. A doctor, a general doctor, maybe he can give you a nice physical. He can check your little boo-boo. Like me, I got a little boo-boo right here. Let me see. I got a little boo-boo. Ooh, ouch. Got a little boo-boo, right? I go to the doctor for that. And he get paid so much money. But if I go to a surgeon gets paid probably 10 times more. Why? Because he has specialized knowledge and he reads a little bit more in depth than the actual general practitioner. Make sense? So what I'm going to show you right now, how to be the surgeon so you can get paid by reading out loud. And listen, before you subscribe to this channel, before you like this dark-skinned, handsome guy right here, pay attention, okay? So this is how it works here, basically. Now, your question may be, Wesley, can anybody do this? Well, let's see if you sign up here. Okay. Oh, look at that. So basically it signs up right with Amazon here. So if you have an Amazon account, boom, you're already hooked up. And I'm pretty sure any country can do this, but you need to know how to speak well. Okay. Is that cool? So you sign in right here. Let's go ahead and sign in. And that's all my personal information. But what we're going to do is this. Okay. This is what we're going to do. Let me go back one here. Let me go back to ACX. Okay, so the thing is, you may say, well, Wesley, how does it all work? Okay, how does it all work? So whether you're an author who narrates, or a narrator, you'll be a narrator, right? Because you're going to be the person that's going to actually read the books here. Now, before I get into all this process here, you want to know, well, Wesley, how much money can I make? How does it all work? Okay, and you want to know about the money. Does that make sense? If you want to know about the money, comment below, Wesley, show us the money. Okay? Show us the money. And I'm going to show you the money right now. Okay? So basically, you get paid by reading the books here. Okay? So if you do a search here, this is called Producers for Hire, or Titles Accepting Auditions. This is where you want to click, right? Because you want to read one of these books here. How many of you can read very well? Okay. How many of you can learn how to read for $1,000? Okay. So this is what you do. You have over 2,000 people. Isn't that insane? Of people that's waiting for you, okay, to audition. Yeah, you heard me correctly. You have to audition to read the book. So it's just like an actor or actress. You go somewhere, you want the gig, you have to audition, right? So, give example. If we clicked on this book, Vampires Hunted, 27,000 words, 2.9 hours here, okay? And let's see if she put exactly how much money she's charging. She's not putting exactly how much money, so we're gonna go back here. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna do a search, but let's do this, okay? Let's find out the compensation, right? Because we want to know how much money we're going to get paid. Compensation here. So let me ask you guys a question. Put in the comments below. How much money do you want to get paid? Now that is that PF hour, H is basically page per hour, basically. So basically, if the book is 2 hours, they'll pay you up to $100 per hour. This one, $200. So the question is, which one do we want? Okay, or do you want a royalty share? Some of these books, basically, which is insane. If the book is already selling very well on Amazon, if you read it and they hire you and you read it for them, you just have to read the book basically and record it for you, and bam, you get a royalty share. You can be set up for the rest of your life. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's be conventional here and let's choose this one. So this means that we're going to get paid $200 to $400 per hour that's read from the book. Okay, so if we click on this book here, The White Angel Murder, that is 7 hours. Okay, so that means, let's do the math here. Hold on, let me get my calculator. I'm bad in math. How many of you fail calculus? Algebra. I hate math. All right, only when it's time to make money. So if it's 7 chapters, let's go back. Okay, 7 hours. So 7 hours, right? Times the low end, 200. It's $1,400. So on the low end, if you audition to read this book, right, they're gonna pay you $1,400. But on the top end, it's $400. Just say if you're highly motivated and they love you, and they pay you $400 times 7. That's $2,800. Now, listen, how many of you right now can say, Wesley, are you kidding me? Because maybe you have a nice voice, or maybe you have a cute voice, or maybe you have a commanding voice. Listen, have you ever listened to an audiobook? That's all what it is, okay? People, based off your voice, they will hire you, okay? Now, one thing I want you to consider is this. Some of you might say, well, Wesley, I don't know how to read. No one's going to like my voice. Stop that negative talk, okay? It is some ebooks that I heard people read, and I was thinking to myself, this is the most monotone, boring voice ever, but they're getting paid. So what I'm saying is this, just audition, right? Listen, it's free to audition. Just try it out. They might say, whoa, I love your voice. It may be a nice young lady. She might, oh, I love your cute, sensual voice. It may be a man. I love your commanding, dominant voice. Does that make sense? Okay. So listen, all you have to do is audition. All right. These books, like me, well, I want to get paid. So, yeah, no, if I'm searching here on the conversation here, I only want to see books that's going to pay me big money here. Okay. And then what I would do is I'm gonna audition for every book. That's what I would do. Like if I was broke, average, and if I needed money right now, immediately, I will audition for every single book. Okay, click on the book. See, it's 4 hours here, but all you have to do is audition first. You have to be signed in to be able to audition. See that? Audition. Okay, and then you audition. You just send them in a nice little recording of yourself. Okay. Now listen. This is what you need. You need to make sure that your room, or you're in a place where it's a bit soundproof. Okay, as like right now, I'm using my iPhone, so obviously I don't want to audition using my iPhone. Okay, go get you a Yeti. And maybe I'll leave a link in the description below. Get a Yeti mic. Get a great mic that you want to use when you audition, or even if you get hired. Okay. Make sure the room is soundproof. Go to YouTube, type in how to soundproof a room, or go to a studio or whatever and just get it done, okay? Listen, professional speakers around the world, they get paid tons of money. The people that do my voiceovers, I pay them between $2,000 to $5,000, Okay? Does that make sense? I pay them between $2,000 to $5,000. Now the question is this: how many of you are willing just to audition? Okay? Just audition. Just try it out. Okay? Hey, if you got value in this video, do me a favor. See that subscribe button right there? Hold on. You see that guy right there? Act like he praying, but he not praying. He just thanking God for the money. Hit that sub right there. Hit the subscribe button, because I'm gonna get you more videos, and I want you to be alert when I get more videos. And if you got any value in this video, go ahead and use that finger viewers, not like this, and hit the like button, okay? Not like this, like this. Hit the like button if you got value, if you're gonna do this. And like I said before, I'm gonna pay you $100 if you actually get the gig. In the comment section below, say, Wesley, I got the gig. Show me a screenshot, and I'm gonna Cash App you or Venmo you $100. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go!